Standard 3rd, Science, chapter number 4. Continue from here. Types of soil. Soil differs in color, particle, size and amount of air and water. It means what? That soils are in different colors. It is in different particles, in size and amount of air and water. There are mainly three types of soil. One is sandy, second is clay and third are loamy. Clay soil contain mostly clay. In clay soil mostly what it is coming? Clay. It consists of soil particles of very small size. It is in very small size particles are there and it is smooth. It is very smooth and sticky means chip-chippy. And it is used by potters to make pots and toys. As you have seen that potters are making pots. At that place you check that soil, it is very sticky. If you want to wash your hand, then also it takes time to wash your hand. Clay soil is not good for plant because there are no space between its particle to hold air. क्ले सॉइल इतनी स्टिकी होती है कि उनके बीच में जो स्पेस होनी चाहिए वो नहीं होती, एकदम कंजेस्टेड होता है. तो उसमें से क्या होगा कि एयर बबल्स है वो होल्ड नहीं कर पाएगी. बट इट कैन होल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर. if you will pour the water, then it can hold water in it, as water cannot pass through the particles easily. Now clay soil is there. Clay soil mainly consists of sand. उसमें क्या होता है? sand होता है. It can hold good amount of air as there is a lot of space between in large particles. उसके बीच में स्पेस होती है तो उसमें से क्या हो सकता है? एयर एंड वाटर दोनों पास हो सकते हैं. इधर क्या लिखा है? इट कैन होल्ड गुड अमाउंट ऑफ एयर. देखो वो होल्ड कर सकता है. एज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेस बिटवीन इट्स पार्टिकल्स, लार्ज पार्टिकल्स, बट इट कैन नॉट होल्ड मच वाटर. उसके बीच में क्या होगा? स्पेस की वजह से वाटर को होल्ड नहीं कर पाएगा. एज वाटर इजीली पासिस थ्रू दिस स्पेस. उसमें से पास हो जाएगा वाटर. Thus, very few plants are able to grow in sandy soil. ज़्यादातर प्लांट्स उसमें उगते नहीं है. कोई कोई उगेगा वरना नहीं उगेगा. It is mostly found on seashore and in desert. Why they have given here seashore and desert? Because at the coast of the seashore sand is there, and even in desert also sands are there. So cactus and all it can grow. And here that the seashore, at the coast of seashore, what you can see, which type of plants you can see? Coconut and all. Loamy soil. Loamy soil means contains both sand and clay. Means in this type of soil sand is also there and clay is also there. It is very good for plant growth. It contains a lot of humus and can hold both air and water. In loamy soil they can hold both air and water, so it is good for plant to grow. Here they have given uses of soil. Soil is used useful in many ways. What type of ways they are telling us that it is useful? See here. All plants grow in soil, that we know. Without soil, plant cannot grow. Soil contains water and minerals. In soil, water are there and minerals are also there. That plant need food. Plant need for their growth. What they need? Soil. Plant need soil for their growth. Imagine if there is no soil, there would be no plant and we would have no food. If there is no soil, then without soil plant will not grow, and if plant will not grow, then we will not get food. Second is soil is home to many animals. You can see here they have given some animals, but they have given here animals also. Ants, snails, earthworm and many other animals live in soil. You can see in this picture that some of the animals are living in the soil, so they have given here in the picture. So earthworm are very useful for farmers. You can see the picture of this earthworm. Earthworm dig tunnel in the soil and loosen it. टनल देखो इधर रास्ता जैसा बनाया तो उसको हम टनल बोलेंगे. तो वो क्या करेगा? वो टनल बनाएगा तो वो जो सॉइल है वो सॉफ्ट हो जाएगी. दे एड ह्यूमस टू द सॉइल एंड मेक द सॉइल फर्टाइल. वो ह्यूमस देगा और सॉइल को फर्टिलाइज बनाएगी. दिस सॉइल इज गुड फॉर ग्रोइंग प्लांट्स. So they often call the farmer's friend. Earthworm is very good for farm, and because of that they have given name that They are also often called the farmer's friend. So now I am showing you the exercise of these. Already I have written answer. So I am putting this steady. So you take a screenshot of this, and afterwards I will show you answer key of this chapter also. Now I am turning the page. Wherever it is necessary, I have written answer here that it is value corners. Many times I told that we don't have to write value corner, but here short question answer is there, in that they have given value corner. So it possible that if we can able to ask them in the one word answer or in short answer. So because of that I have written here answer. So I have make a line, means this is for A, and downside B I have written answer, it is for B. So I am keeping this steady. So you take a screenshot of this, and afterwards I will show you the answer key of this chapter. Now I am showing you this answer key, chapter number 4. You don't have to do this. From here you have to, on the right side you can see the page number also, that page number 30, 31, 33. So this answer is on in the textbook, page number 30, 31 and 33 questions are given of this answer. Now I am showing you the next page. Hope that you can able to see this clearly. Here wherever I have done pencil mark, that you don't have to write, means cancel. I have done that lines with pencil, so you don't write that line while you are writing these question answers and all. Here 5th chapter is there, but I am showing you this also page. So if you want to write this, continue before explaining, but just take a screenshot of this. It is remain to explain you this chapter, but I am keeping this. So take a screenshot of this. While you are writing this, at that time you just have to tick mark this both. Okay. Again, whenever I will ask, I will explain you 5 chapters. That at that time I will show you this answer key again.